Now I'm going to show you how to solve this radical equation. This is called surd radical equation. In this equation, both are what? Radical. We have two radical. This is radical, this is radical. So what we are going to do, we are going to transpose one radical. We are going to transpose one radical so that it can be easy. So we say isolated one radical. We are going to isolate one radical. We say isolate one radical. Isolate one radical. Isolate one radical. So how we are going to isolate one radical, meaning this equation, this radical will meet what? The 2. So we solve, we say root 2x plus 3, we take equals to 2. Here is minus. Cross the equals to sign. The sign will change from minus to plus. Root what? X minus 2. So we continue. Our next step, what we are going to do, now our next step, we are going to square both sides. We say square both side. Now let us square both sides. We say root 2x plus 3 equals to 2 plus root x minus 2. We square both sides. We square both sides. This square cancel square. So what we have now, so we have 2x plus 3 equals to, we are going to open this bracket how many times? We are going to open the bracket 2 times. Now let us open the bracket 2 times. So we say 2 plus root x minus 2. The reason why we are going to open this bracket 2 times is because of this 2. It's because of the power 2. So we say 2 plus root x minus 2, bracket close. So we say 2x plus 3 equals to, we are going to take 2, then we take the whole of this bracket so that it will be simple. So we say 2 plus root x minus 2. Again we take plus root x minus 2 plus root x minus 2. Then we take the same bracket, 2 plus root x minus 2. Now we solve. We say 2x plus 3 equals to, plus times plus is plus, 2 times 2 is 4. Plus times plus is plus. 2 times root x minus 2 is the same as 2 root x minus 2. Plus times plus is plus. Root x minus 2 times 2 is the same as 2 root x minus 2. Plus times plus is plus. Root x minus 2 times root x minus 2 is the same as x minus 2. Whenever you are multiplying the same number inside the root, just take all it in one number. Okay, now we solve. We say 2x plus 3 equals to, we say 4 plus 2 plus 2, we are going to have plus 4 roots, they have the same root, plus 2 plus 2, we have plus 4, they are having the same root. To take one root, we say x minus 2 plus x minus 2. So we continue. We say 2x plus 3, we take x equals to x, we take plus 4, we take minus 2, we take plus 4, root x minus 2. So we continue. We say 2x plus 3 equals to, we say x plus 4 minus 2. We are going to have plus 2. Why? If the sign are different, what you are going to do, you are going to subtract 4. You remove their 2. What is remaining is 2. 4 and 2, which one is the bigger number? Is 4. 4 have a sign of what? Minus. That's why we have what? Minus 2. Whenever the sign are different, you are going to subtract and take the bigger number in sign. We say plus 4 root x minus 2. So we continue. So we are going to transpose this one to meet this one here. So we have 2x. Here is plus x. Cross the equals to sign. The sign will change from plus x to minus x. We take plus 3. Plus 3. Here is what? Plus 2. Cross the equals to sign to meet the 3. The sign will change from plus 2 to minus 2 equals to 4 root x minus 2. You are going to ask, why would you not put this plus sign? Because here is the same as what? Plus. If here is minus, you are going to put your minus. If here is plus, you are going to leave it like that. Here is the same as what? Plus. Now we'll continue. Now plus 2x minus x, we are going to have plus x. Whenever the sign are different, what you are going to do, you are going to subtract and take the bigger number in sign. Plus 3 minus 2, we are going to have plus 1. Whenever the sign are different, what you are going to do, you are going to subtract and take the bigger number in sign. We say equals to, we say 4 root x minus 2. Now the next step again, we are going to square again both sides. We say square both sides. Again. So we have x plus 1 square. Say 4 root x minus 2 all square. So we'll continue. We are going to open this bracket. How many times? 2 times because of the 2. So we say x plus 1. Say x plus 1 bracket close equals to. Now these 2 will affect the 4. These 2 will affect what? The root. So let us separate it. We say 4 raised to the power 2 so that you will understand. Times. We say root x minus 2 raised to the power 2. This one and this one cancel. So we are going to take x, then we take the whole of this bracket. We take x, then we take x plus 1, x plus 1. Then we take plus 1, plus 1. We take the same bracket, x plus 1 equals to 4 raised to the power 2 is the same as 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is the same as what? 16. Bracket open. This root cancel this root. What we have now? We have x minus 2. So continue. X times x, we are going to have x squared. Plus times plus is plus. X times 1 is x. Plus times plus is plus. 1 times x is x. Plus times plus is plus. 1 times 1 is 1 equals to 16 times x. We are going to have 16x. We say plus times minus is minus. Now we solve. We say we are going to multiply now. Say 16 times 2. 16 times 2, we are going to have 32. 32. So our next step, what we are going to do now, we are going to put it in order. We are going to collect light term. We say collect light term. So let us solve this one first. We say x squared plus x plus x plus x plus x. We are going to have plus 2x. Whenever the sign are the same, what you are going to do, you take one sign, then add it to number. Here is the same as 1, here is the same as 1. X is the same as 1, x is the same as 1. That's why we say plus 1 is the same as we are going to have plus 2. X plus x is what? 2x. Plus 1 equals to 16x minus 32. So collect right term now. You take x square plus 2x. Here is plus 16. Plus 16 cause the equals to sign. The sign will change from plus 16 to minus 16x equals to minus 32. Here is plus 1. Here is plus 1. Plus 1 cause the equals to sign. The sign will change from plus 1 to minus 1. So we have x square plus 2x minus 16x plus 2x minus 16x. What you are going to have, whenever the sign are different, what you are going to do, you are going to subtract 16. You remove their 2. What is going to remain is what? Is 14x. 16 and 2, which one is the bigger number? The bigger number is 16. 16 have a sign of what? Minus. That's why we are going to put here minus 14. Whenever the sign are different, what you are going to do, you are going to subtract and take the bigger number in sign, equals to minus 32 minus 1. Whenever the sign are the same, you take 1. Here is minus, here is minus. You take 1. You add the two number. 32 plus 1, you are going to have 33. Now, know that this is what? A quadratic equation. A quadratic equation supposed to equals to what? To 0. So we say x square minus 14x. Here is minus, cause the equals to sign. The sign will change from minus to plus 33 equals to 0. So we say our next step now, what you are going to do, we say solve the quadratic equation. Now let us solve the quadratic equation. We see x square minus 14x plus 33 equals to 0. So this and this, 33 times x, we are going to have 33x square. This one is what? The product. This one is called the product. The sum now is what? Minus 14x is the sum. So you are going to watch for a factors. These two factors, if you multiply them, it's supposed to give you 33. If you add or what? Subtract, it's supposed to give you minus 14. Now let us find the factors of 33. We are going to do it step by step. How you are going to find the factors of 33. Now, first of all, if you have your phone or calculator, you can say 33 divided by 2. If you divide it, you are going to have points, meaning 2 cannot enter exact. So you forgot about 2. You take 3 again. So 3 can enter. We have one factor without no remainder. We take 4. 4 can enter, but there is a remainder. We cannot take it. We take 5. 5 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 6. 6 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 7. 7 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 8. 8 can enter, there is a remainder. We take 9. 9 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 10. 10 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 11. 11 can enter without no remainder. We take 12. 12 can enter, but there is a remainder. You take 13. 13 can enter, there is a remainder. You take 14. 14 can enter, there is a remainder. You take 15. 15 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 16 again. 16 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 17, 17 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 18, 18 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 19, 19 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 20, 20 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 21, 21 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 22, 22 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 23, 23 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 24, 24 can enter, but there is a remainder. We take 25, 26 can enter, but there is a remainder. Meaning and what? And 33 itself. Now, which factors, if you multiply these factors, you are going to have 33. If you multiply 3 times 11, if you multiply 3 times 11, you are going to have 33. So which sign are supposed to put so that we can get minus 14? We need two signs. We need one sign here, then we need another sign here. Let us test both the sign. If we put here plus and plus, we are going to get how many? 11, 12, 13, 14. We are going to get what? Plus 14. Yeah, it's not, yeah, it's minus 14, but yeah, it's plus 14, meaning this sign is not okay. Meaning this sign is not okay. We change it. We change it again. If we put minus and minus, whenever the sign are the same, take one sign, minus and minus, then we add the two numbers. So 11 plus 3, we are going to have 14, meaning this is what? Our factors. So we are going to have now what? 3 minus 3x minus 11x is what? Is our factors. So our factors is what? Minus 3x minus 11x is what? Is our factors. So continue. So we are going to take x square. We are going to take x square. We take minus 3x minus 3x. We take minus 11x minus 11x. We take the last one plus 33 plus 33 equals to 0. So x square minus 3x minus 11x plus 33 equals to 0. So what you are going to do, bracket it 2 by 2. So what is common here is x, factorize x. X divided by x is the same as x. If you multiply x times x, you are going to have x square. Here is minus, you also put your minus. X cancel x, what is remaining is 3. Here is minus, also put your minus. What is common here is 11. Because 11 can enter into itself without no remainder, and then what? 11 can enter into 33 without no remainder. That's why we factorize 11. 11 cancel 11, what is remaining is x. Minus times plus is minus. 11 can enter into 33. How many times is 3 times equals to 0? So continue. We are going to take one bracket, then we take the number outside the bracket. We say x minus 3. We take one bracket, then we take x minus 11. X minus 11 equals to 0. So our next step, what we are going to do, we are going to take this one, equate it to 0. We say x minus 3 equals to 0, or we say x minus 11 equals to 0. So continue. So x will take equals to 0. Here is minus 3. Cos the equals to sign, the sign will change from minus 3 to plus 3. We say x equals to 0 plus 3. We are going to have what? 3. So take for this one. We say x will take equals to 0. There is minus 11. Cos the equals to sign, the sign will change from minus 11 to plus 11. We say x equals to 0 plus 11 is 11. So therefore x is what? Is 3 comma 11. So this is what our answer. Now let us check our equation. Let us check our equation. Let us do it here. Let us check our equation. We should check. check the equation. Now, what you are going to do now, we are going to check our equation. If our equation is correct, now we are going to take one number. We are going to take x equals to 3. Now we take the full equation. We say 2x plus 3 minus root x minus 2 equals to 2. So let us substitute now. The value for x is 3 plus 3 minus, we say 3 minus 2 equals to 2. This side is supposed to equals to this side. So we solve. We say 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3 minus root. We are checking our equation. We say 3 minus 2 is 1 equals to 2. Now we still check. We say 6 plus 3 is 9 minus root 1 equals to 2. So square root of 9 is 3 minus square root of 1 is 1 equals to 2. So plus 3 minus 1 we are going to have 2 equals to 2. So we have checked the first one. Now let us check the second one. We see when x equals to 11. So we take the same root again. We say root 2x plus 3 minus root x minus 2 equals to 2. So substitute for the value for 11. X is 11 plus 3 minus 11 minus 2 equals to 2. So continue. Plus times plus is plus. 11, 2 times 11 is 22 plus 3 minus 11 plus 11 minus 2 plus 11 minus 2 plus 11 minus 2, we are going to have 9 equals to 2. So we say 22 plus 3, 22 plus 3, 22 plus 3, we are going to have 25 minus 9. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 9 is 3 equals to 2. 5 minus plus 5 minus 2 plus 5 minus 3, we are going to have 2 equals to 2, meaning our solution is correct. So I would like you to subscribe to my channel, to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, like and share for more lessons. Thank you.